on.
Well, we had to tow Chip and Bush when
Well, that's not fun.
but we needed a score.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget to duck your head.
Get out of it.
She's gonna have to stay there for the rest of the.
I just might fall asleep in here.
It is a little comfortable, a little warm.
I'm the curator here.
Okay.
And
I get my air.
Well, we got oxygen tanks. I don't know if they'll work. Got 'em.
I like that the cockpits are open so we can breathe.
Yeah. Oh, when it's closed, it gets really hot.
Oh, I bet.
It's crazy.
There's the toilet.
On the Connell Air Force Base, we have a B-47 out first C-135 built. Colorado's out there too.
I think we have the first B-52 that was in service.
This one over here.
I think it's the first one that went into service. I may be wrong about that. I know it's the first of something.
Now I don't know how we're gonna get out of here.
Well, imagine them trying to get out of here in emergencies.
Oh yeah, it's
Or
like
even in here.
bail out, bail out. There's my dad.
When they finished, there was 5 B-58s
Hey Dad,
sent to Okinawa.
JD Bell,
Huh?
oh, no, the van.
wave to the camera.
Huh?
Wave to the camera.